Guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you probably already know, I have a Dollar Tree haul. So I went to Dollar Tree yesterday, and if you missed that video, I will link that right here above so that you can go watch that. But if you do, and when you do, make sure you come back and watch this one so you can see the items that I picked up that may have not even been shown in that video, because I did go back to a Dollar Tree today. So like I said, I stopped there again today. Now, prior to me stopping today, last week, and I do have 3 bags in front of me. Last week, this one goes to this, or not last week, but like a couple days ago, I was finally able to find the Rubbermaid small totes, and I really wanted one of these. My daughter, when she first seen somebody on Instagram, I think, show these, she was like, I want one of these, because she wanted to put some of her school stuff in here. And this is just super cute. It's like a mini version of the big ones, and it is made by Rubbermaid. They did have other colors. It says ideal for crafts, office supplies, accessories, and small parts. Just super cute. It just looks like a small tote that you would get at like Target or something like that. And then they have this one, and I picked this one up as well. And what I was gonna say was they had other colors like pink. I think I saw pink, purple, and this turquoise. And then they had these clear Rubbermaid ones, not too big. Different in size. This one's height is bigger. This one is a little bit more in width. And I picked the turquoise top on this one for my daughter to have as well. And it does snap on. So I was excited to find those because I have been seeing people with those and I wanted them. I had also picked up these new penguin socks, which I showed on Instagram, and I just thought these were super cute. I did find a couple more. If you're following me on Instagram, you already saw those pictures. What else did I grab? I just have stuff randomly put in these bags. Whenever I find these, I pick them up because I do like to send them out in my Poshmark packages. So I was only able to find this one blue one, and that's a puffy heart. Super cute. I love their keychains right now. They keep putting out some cute ones. And then I got another one of the pink ones with the ears. So it looks like a little cat. What else is in this bag? Let me just take it out. Okay, and then I found some magnetic notepads, and I thought this was cute, and it's for my daughter as well. It says, believe you can, and you can. And I like the little hearts on it and at the bottom, and it is magnetic. So just trying to get her a couple of things. This one I got for myself. I like this. It says take charge, and I love the polka dots on it and the colors that it is. So I got that one for myself. Now this I thought this was so cute. It was in the school supply, and I'm gonna hold it. It is a photo props for back to school, and this will be so perfect for teachers. I'm going to give this to Pooh Bear's future kindergarten teacher to see if maybe she wants to let the kids hold these while they take little pictures or something like that. And it says welcome back. You have the glue, these cute little, just everything. All of that is super cute. Just photo props, and they look like that. I love the little apple glasses or whatever. So everything you saw on the front right there is in here. So you get 8 props, and this, I just thought this was super cute, and I have never seen that before. So let me grab this other bag and we'll jump into that. So these next items are most of the items that I did pick up in my walkthrough when I was in the store. The only thing that I'm missing is the 4 mirrors that had the gold glitter around them, the 4 square ones. Those are actually downstairs. I took those out. I was trying to do something with them. So I did pick up those 4. But then I also picked up these plaque-like things. There's my other one behind me. The one that says wake up and makeup. That's the older ones that Dollar Tree had like last year. So when I saw this one, I had to get it. Kid Cave. This will be for Pooh Bear's room. And then it says even superheroes must clean their room. You can flip them over, maybe put this on the door, and then when he's cleaning up and you say get in there and clean up, you can flip it over for him or something like that. I just think that is super cute. And then I got this one for my daughter to put in her room because she loves to nap. She loves to sleep. So nap queen. And then on the other side it says I am not a morning person, which she definitely is not, but I can't blame her because her mama ain't either. I am definitely not a morning person. I don't know. I just something about just early mornings can't do it. So then I did show the new string. Fumble. The new string lights, and so I picked those up. I did get the pineapples and the cute little flamingos. These are super cute. My daughter is already trying to claim them. I'm not too sure if she's gonna get them or if I'm gonna use them, but we'll see. And then I went a little crazy. I did. Let me show you guys. I went a little crazy with the cute little Converse sneakers that I showed you guys in that video. This one broke. Unless I picked it up like that and didn't realize it. You guys, look at all these. I picked up so many of these. I thought these would be, this one is the one I said broke, but that's okay because it'll just go on my shelf because it's gold. It's gold. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. So I figured I don't know. I'm always thinking about something else. So here's the silver one. The one I just showed you was gold. And then they have the cute little pink one. And then they have the cute little turquoise one. And these are so cute. And then I got 3 golds. Besides 3 more golds besides the one that is broke. Oh, and a silver. Besides the one that's broke. And I just thought these would be so cute to put in packages when I sell shoes on Poshmark. Like, because if you purchase something from me, then you already know, most of you guys, well, whoever has knows that I like to add little, you know, little stuff into the package or whatever. So if I sell a pair of shoes, I just thought this would be so cute to add with it. And most of the time I add stuff like this or whatever. I mean, it's just to say thank you. But when I saw these, I was like, oh, I have to get those now because I know if I go back, they will be gone. So I did go a little crazy with those. But can you blame me? These are super adorable. They look like a little Chuck Taylor, little Converse. So cute. So that was it for that bag. Now we're going to jump into this last bag. And let's see. I got this pen, the little Pinwheel Pin. I thought that was so cute when I seen it in the store. And it spins like that. And Pooh Bear is sitting right here with his hand out because he wants it. You have to spin the back, baby. Then I got my daughter this because I just thought it was cute. I don't even know if she gonna want this, but it says free hugs and it is with the 3 holes in it for the binder. So I got that. Then I got this. I thought was cute. And it is a little notebook with the thing right here so the pages kind of spin out. Kind of like you can use this for like as index cards or something like that. I'm not even too sure. No, I think it's just regular paper. It's not like index paper. I mean index cards. Let me see real quick because it's really cute. Okay, yeah, it's just regular plain paper, but the front folds up like that, and I just thought this was super cute, and it has the little jewels on it or whatever. The back is plain. I thought that was cute. And then I also got this one that says stand tall, and it's the flamingos. It is identical to that. I did get these. I need these. I love those colors. The little clips. I'm just digging out the bag. Then I thought these were cute because you guys see I wear these, especially when I don't want to do my hair or something. I throw these type of things on, and I do like these colors. And there is 7, and I figured 7 of these for $1 is awesome. So I did get those. What else did I get? I'll show those in just a second. I ended up getting these 2 things from the LA Colors. I ended up getting the grape 2-piece lip balm and the 2-piece lip pencil. I want to try the pencils out to see if I'm gonna like those and if they actually show up really good. So I got those. Then I got this unicorn pen. It's a novelty pen. This is so cute and it's really flexible. Kind of feels like a jelly type of thing. And then the bottom is like a clear plastic. You want to see that too? It's like a clear plastic. And then I picked up this for me or my daughter, and it's a really cute lanyard. Let me sit this bag down. I've been seeing this style of stuff lately where it's like this mesh and it has like little diamonds all through it or whatever, and I can't else I was at and I saw something like that. I want to say Burlington or Marshalls or somewhere, but it's starting to be like a thing, I guess, right now with the mesh and the diamond things in there. But this is a lanyard. They did have different colors. Really, really cute. It has the little jewels on the end right here. And so, yeah, I picked up one of those. They did have that in purple and pink as well. And then I also picked up this style. We are almost done. I also picked up this style. It's more like a rope style, and I just love that color. And the end looks like that with the clip on it. So whichever one my daughter wants, she can keep the other one. I'll keep it for myself. And last but not least, I went a little crazy with these items as well. But when I seen them, I was like, oh my goodness, these are pretty. And they're really, if I could pick them up, they're really, really heavy. Which surprised me because I didn't expect them to be as heavy as they are. And it is these bracelets. And they have that chrome look to them. And as you can see, I picked up a couple of the rainbow kind of colors like this. These are really pretty. You can see the green, the blue, the purples. And they're on the elastic type string. And you guys, these are heavy. Like, I was like, what? And so this one is more just like a greenish, bluish, yellow one. And then I also picked up this one that's just silver. And then this one is also in just like a copper color. So I'm not sure why I picked them up. I was thinking gifts as well, to add to packages. Or I will give them to, give maybe like 3 to my daughter, and she has 2 best friends, so maybe she can give them the like rainbow color one or whatever, and it can be like a friendship bracelet or whatever. I don't know, but I just love these. They feel so nice. I don't know, they feel like marbles. They're really heavy. Did I say that already? Here, baby. He's sitting there playing with them now. So that is it. That is it for this haul. A lot of cute stuff, a lot of small stuff. Oh, no, it's not. You guys, I forgot to show you this. So in my previous haul, I had got this and I showed my sister, and she was like, girl, next time you go back to the store, I want one. So I got her 4 things. I got her this one, the Yes to Cotton mud mask, and then I picked her up another one of these, which is the Yes to clear skin detoxifying charcoal facial wipes. I did get her those. And then I also picked up, because I showed in the other video that they had a brand that I see at the 99-cent store sometimes, so I didn't get her that one, but I did get the Yes to Coconut Hydrate and Restore. This one says paper mask. I don't know if that's just, I don't know, because the other one said mud mask, but this one just says paper mask. So I did pick up this, and these will be cute if you find these will be really cute as like stocking stuffers if you have a teen, or if you just if you're making gift baskets or something like that. It has a little red bow on it already. I thought that would be cute. And also this one is the Yes to Tomatoes Clear Skin Charcoal Paper Mask, just like the wipes, but this one is the mask. So if you get these and you save them, these will be nice little gifts to give out in gift baskets or whatever. So now that is it. So I'm done with Dollar Tree for right now. I was waiting for them to bring some new stuff. They showed up, they showed out, and I'm happy now. So thank you guys all for watching. Remember to go check out my previous video and all my other videos. I'd appreciate that. I hope you guys are all having a blessed day, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.
Bye.
I knew you was gonna say it.